Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to redeem Amazon gift card for cash. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, just open up your internet browser and go to amazon.com. So once you are on amazon.com, just sign in into your Amazon account. So I have already done that, so I'm just gonna hover over my account. By the way, I'm on my computer. The steps are gonna be the same on a laptop device. However, the steps might not be the same, but they are going to be pretty similar on a tablet or mobile device. So yeah, just click on account after hovering over your name in the top right corner. If you're on a mobile or tablet device, you might have to click on your name. So after that, just click on account and you will be redirected to this page. So just click on your payments, or you can just select gift cards. But once you're on this page, just click on Amazon gift card, and here you can click on redeem a gift card. And now just put in your gift card code, and this is how you redeem your Amazon e-gift card for cash on Amazon website or Amazon application. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.